Here is exactly how you can fix Shopify shows sold out, but you are sure that you have inventory. Now, first, you need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and you want to click on general shipping rate. Now, this is the first method. If it doesn't work, I will show you multiple ways on how you can fix this, okay? So after you are on this page, you want to click here where it says add location. Next to fulfillment locations, you want to click on add location, and then you want to select the location here. Now, if you don't have any location, I will show you how you can add the location where you have inventory. I'm going to select this location, then I'm going to click on add, and then make sure you click on save. Now, after you do that, you want to make sure you add the shipping rates in case you didn't do that already. So just click on add shipping rates, and you want to enter here the shipping rates. Here the customer rate name standard, and here the shipping price 0. Okay, click done, then click on save. Now, when it comes to other ways, like if this doesn't work, just check and see if it works. If it doesn't work, again, you want to go and click on settings, and you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then click on create custom profile. Now, after that, you want to name your profile. Don't worry, customers will not see this, so just name it whatever. And then here you want to add the products that you have a problem with, like products that shows as sold out. Now, in case I have this product as shows as sold out, but I'm sure I still have the inventory, then click on done. And after that, make sure you add the shipping zone. You want to add the shipping rates, okay? Should just enter here like add the shipping zones. I want to ship this to United States, because some people didn't enable international shipping, and now when international customers visit their store, they will see as sold out, but local people like from United States, they will be able to purchase. So you have to enable international shipping. So click done, and then you want to add the shipping rates. I'm going to add here standard, and here the price I'm going to leave it as it is 0. Then click done. Okay, so another way, guys, you want to go to your products here, okay, and then you want to click on the product, and then after that you want to scroll down. Now, if you have a product with different variations, by the way, if you have only one variant is out of stock, what you need to do is to just delete that variant, that color, that size, and then you want to add the new one, okay? Just click on add variant and add a new one, okay? This may work for you. Now, if you have all the variations, all the color sizes say out of stock, you want to select all of them, and then click on three little dots, and then scroll down, and then select this one that says continue selling when out of stock. Now, what this is going to do is, even if you run out of stock, you don't have any products left in stock, it will still keep getting sales because you selected this option that says continue selling going out of stock. Now, if you are not allowed to do that, you just need to click on each variant, then click on it, and then you will be able to click that inside the variant here where it says here, as you can see, track inventory. You want to select here continue selling when out of stock. You can also add quantity here, okay? So I'm going to add 10 new quantities here. I'm going to add 10, and I'm going to click on save, okay? So that's all you need to do, okay? Just add the quantity, and you will be able to fix this problem. I already made this video about product has inventory but shows as sold out, as you can see here. Now, there are a lot of comments because like some people, what worked for them is different from what worked for other people. This guy said, okay, so I solved it for myself, so I had So I had just recently added international market because I want to ship my products internationally. But when I added new products to my store, they were always out of stock. So I had to go to the shipping and deliveries in settings, and then I added new products to the shipping profile or market, whatever you want to call it anyway. So this worked because it says here, this guy, he said, I spent days talking to Shopify and customer service, how trying to fix it. The one time I followed your advice, issue resolved. Okay, solved. So yeah, here you can also go to shipping and delivery and add fulfillment location where your inventory resides. Now I already showed you how you can do this. Yeah, I forgot another way, guys, is you want to go to settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on locations, and then you want to add the location here, and then you want to add the name and the address. Make sure you enable this one that says use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Just check this after you add the address and everything here, the state, the city. After that, you want to go to shipping and delivery, and then click on general shipping rates, and then click on add fulfillment, and then use that location here, fulfillment location. Use the new location you have added. Okay. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it does, drop a like, and I would like to help you more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. See you.